What you see here is the GCM 8 SJL Professional Sliding Miter Saw from Bosch, the compact tool for large cutting capacities. With a light weight of only 17 kilos, it's quick and above all easy to use anywhere. This sliding miter saw is ideal for cutting laminate floorboards or parquet, thanks to its high horizontal and vertical cutting capacities. Its powerful two-point dust extraction also enables you to work extremely cleanly. Its bevel lock is totally intuitive to use. Experience for yourself the GCM 8 SJL Professional from Bosch, the compact tool for large cutting capacities.